Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Welcome my people. Guys, today I'm gonna try something new. I have some chicken back here, so I'm gonna jerk them today, guys. I'm gonna season them and I'm gonna put them on the grill, guys. So I just want you to see with me, and as I go along, I'm gonna clean them up and I'm gonna season them, and then I go outside and catch my fire and do what I have to do. I have coal. I'm gonna use the coal stove to do it. So guys, I'm gonna clean up this right now and season up with my jerk sauce and everything, and then I'll get right back to you. So let's start seasoning. Let's start cleaning. So guys, this is 2 packs. I'm gonna clean them up as usual. I'm gonna cut off the excess fat and the excess skin. Cut out in here. I hear somebody talk about it, so I said I've got to try it. I'm gonna try this jerk chicken back and see how it comes out. So guys, I will do it and I will let you know how it tastes when I'm finished. I know some people, they don't clean out all these things from it, you know, but I have to. I don't like to see those things. And chicken back don't have a lot of meat on it anyway, but it's good. That color one chicken back I cooked last time, it was very good. guys, this is the last piece. I'm gonna wash and season my chicken back. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna clean up this and I'm gonna wash it with some lime juice and vinegar, and I'm gonna season it. And guys, I make my own jerk sauce. The last time I make some, it's not finished yet, so I'm gonna use that one that left today. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna wash my cutting board and I'm gonna wash my chicken and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna season my chicken back now. So I'm gonna add some jerk sauce from Easy Spice. This is from Easy Spice jerk sauce. I'm not adding too much because I have the green, I have the wet one to add to it. So I'm not adding too much. And this is seasoned to the bone. I'm going to throw it out in another thing now. I have an empty one, not much. I'm going to mix this dash it a little bit. Just a little dash and some all-purpose seasoning. A little bit of garlic first. A little bit of flavor rice, just a little bit. And black pepper. That's all the wet ingredients, and I'm gonna add tablespoon of my jerk sauce. If I make my own jerk sauce, guys, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon, a little bit over. That's it. And I'm gonna massage all in this together. And I'm gonna set it aside and I'm gonna get my grill ready. Okay, guys? I'll go outside and get my grill ready because I'm gonna do it outside on the grill. Not in the oven this time. I'll try it in the oven after I try it on the grill. Maybe when it get too cold, I'm gonna try it in the oven. Okay guys, I'm finished. I'm gonna set it aside and I'm gonna go outside and do it on the grill. Okay, prepare my grill, guys, so stay tuned. I'm going outside now to prepare my grill. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put my chicken back on the grill. My jerk chicken back. Just putting them on the grill. I'm gonna try and see how it's gonna come out. So guys, in the comment section, I want you to tell me if you ever jerk chicken back yet, guys. Just put a comment and tell me if you ever jerk chicken back. I would like to know. And if you do it different from the way I do it. I would like to know your way, say I try your way too. Okay guys? So I'm gonna cover it down because we're having a little drizzling here. So we're gonna cover it down and leave it, and then we come back. We didn't do much because we want to try it first. Maybe the next batch we do, we can do more. So we're gonna try it and see how it come out. And if it come out nice as how they say it is, Well, next time I'll do a bigger batch. Okay, guys. So stay tuned, guys. And I'm gonna cover it down a little bit. Okay, good. So, guys, this is my peppers. My peppers I have in buckets. I plant all my hot peppers in buckets. This is what I cook with at home, guys. And I'm outside doing my jerk chicken back right now. So I'm just showing you guys my peppers. See how they look, and you can see them in the buckets. So, guys, you can plant peppers in buckets at home too, on your balcony or wherever you live. Even if you live in Jamaica, you can plant a pepper in a bucket, and it still comes and bear. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna look about my chicken back over here. I'm just showing you my peppers, not everything, just some of them. I'm gonna go back and check my chicken back. See how they're coming on. They're coming on good. I need a little bit more time to get some more color. I don't want them to get too dark. They're coming on good. I don't put everything in the heart of the fire. Don't want it to blaze up on it. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll let you know how it comes out, guys. I never do it before. This is my first time. So I'll let you guys know how it come out, and if it come out good, I'm gonna do a bigger batch next time. I'm gonna do more. And if you ever do it, you let me know how you do it, guys, so I can try it your way too. Leave a comment and tell me how you do it in the comment section. But this is my first time. And I used to sell chicken back home. If I ever know about this, I would try it already. The smell is good. That's all I know. It smells so nice. It smells just like jerk chicken. Looking really good. Just to keep the meat inside. Start getting color, a lot of smokies on it. But it will be okay. The way they smell, I hope they eat the same way. We'll give them another 5 minutes, guys, and we'll check them again. Yes, it's coming on good. The jerk chicken back is coming on fine, coming on fine. First time doing this, and it won't be the last. I know I'm gonna do it again. As soon as I get the hang of it, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close it down again and I'll be right back. This is jerk chicken back. Okay, guys, so now my jerk chicken back is finished. I'm gonna go inside, and guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, please, and tell me where you're watching from, guys. And so if you subscribe, it's for free. It's free, guys. So you just touch that subscribe button, please. It's all free. Your watching is free, subscribe is free, sharing is free, everything is free. You're just supporting the channel when you subscribe and share and like. So please give a like and please subscribe, please. And as you can see, my jerk chicken back. Okay guys, so we're gonna go inside and finish up our video now, guys. So stay tuned, guys. So this is my jerk chicken back. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, please. And tell me where you're watching from, guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video with our jerk chicken back. Thank you. Ciao. God bless you.